Due to greenhouse effect, global warming takes place, climate changes, decrease in agriculture yield, there is threat to wildlife, melting of glaciers and icebergs, which results into level increase in the sea level, and coastal land sub submerges. Acid rain. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen are released into atmosphere through burning of coal, timber and fuel oils. Those oxides mix with rainwater and form acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, nitrous acid, etc. These acids mix with raindrops and snowflakes and come down as rain called as acid rain. When timber, coal and fossil fuel they burn, they release oxides of sulfur and nitrogen in the atmosphere. These get dissolved with rainwater and they turn into acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, nitrous acid, etc. When there is a rainfall, the acids fall on the ground in the form of acid rain. Children, so have you understood how acid rain takes place? These harmful gases, sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxides of nitrogen, they all mix with raindrops. And when there is a rainfall, the acids fall on the ground in the form of acid rain. Effects of acid rain. Acidity of soil, water bodies. Acidity of soil and water bodies increases due to acid rain. It harms the aquatic organisms, plants, and entire forest life. Total ecosystems are adversely affected. Soil and water bodies become acidic. This causes harm to resident animals and plants. The entire ecosystem is threatened. Erosion of buildings, burst, historical monuments, bridges, metal idols, wire fences, etc. occur due to acid rain. Due to acid rain, erosion of buildings, bridges, metal idols, historical monuments, wire fences gets rusted. They all get rusted. Plant absorb the heavy metals. Heavy metals such as cadmium and mercury indirectly enter the food chain through plants. Due to acidification of water in water bodies and pipes, leaching of metal and plastic material occurs in water and thereby serious health problems arise. Water becomes acidified because of acid rain. It enters the pipes causing leaching of metals and plastic material, and this results in serious health problems. Due to acid rain, Statue of Liberty, Taj Mahal, they get eroded. The color of Taj Mahal becomes yellowish. Compressed natural gas and liquefied petroleum gas are cleaner fuel. CNG and LPG, they are cleaner fuels. Preventive measures of air pollution. Smoke emerging from factories contains harmful particles. Hence, pollution controlling machinery should be used. Arresters, filters. The exhaust gases from the factories should not be left into the atmosphere without proper treatment. The polluting particulates should be filtered through proper machineries. The arresters and filters should be used for this purpose. Proper disposal of stinking waste generated in cities. Proper management should be done to dispose solid waste material which stinks. Control on atomic test, chemical weapons, etc. The atomic testing, chemical weapons, etc. should be totally banned for the betterment of the earth. Control ban should be there over CFC production. CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, should be either controlled or it should be banned to protect ozone layer. What can be done to control air pollution? We can use bicycle to cover small distances. We can use public transport services so as to reduce air pollution. Solid waste, which is biodegradable, can be dumped into a it uh, it can be dumped into a uh, what can I say? It is uh, biodegradable waste. It should be kept in a it should be kept in such a manner that it should get decomposed easily. Compost pit. It should be kept in compost pit. Conventional energy resources should be it should not be overused. We should use non-conventional sources of energy like solar energy, hydropower energy, wind energy, etc. Air quality index. It is important for citizens to know the extent of air pollution in their city so as to define the air quality index. Proportion of sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, ozone, particulate matter, etc. is measured every day. Boards indicating the air quality index are displayed in busy squares in metro cities. Let us summarize what we have learned. Air pollution is the contamination of air by unwanted substances. Air pollutants are the substances that pollute air. Air pollution takes place by two sources, natural and man made. Carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon dioxide, methane, and sulfur dioxide are the major pollutants of air. Increasing levels of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide are leading to global warming. Thank you.